it be L. So this is given displacement. I'll give displacement in opposite direction. Now, what is your next question I'm asking? What is the, so find the locator point on a spring which will be at rest. Find the, so I'll give the question. The ends of spring are displaced as shown. Find the point P. Find the point P on a spring which will be at rest, or which will not undergo displacement, which will not undergo. This is very important. Which will not undergo displacement. Is it possible? So the point P will not move. Are you looking at this? So where the point P? There only I'm showing it. Is this possible to locate such a point? Again, what is the formula? The strain in one part should be equal to strain in other part. So the formula I'll proceed here. Strain in the part BP should be equal to strain in the part PA. Now what is the strain in part? How did you tell S there'll be at least one point on a spring which will not undergo displacement? There's a simple common sense. Again. So if there's a spring, if I give equal displacement, okay, tell me, like, at least a student must, instead of asking teacher a question, no, so they should really think on this one. So both both the ends I'll give equal displacement. This is ND, this is NB. Both the ends I'll give same displacement. Tell me, like, the midpoint will not undergo displacement. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Finish or no? This you take elastic band. That's why I'm telling this one. Observation, the outside physical world, knowledge of physical world, very important. Just if you know formulas, if you know some physics, not possible. We must have a very general idea about the objects. So if both ends are given same displacement, the midpoint will be at rest. Midpoint P will not shift. No, what I mean, I gave the ends different displacement. So definitely the midpoint will shift, but there'll be some point which will not shift. I want the location of that point from the end B. So strain in part B should be equal to strain in part A. So what is the strain in part BP? This should be equal to XB minus XP by what is the length of this is equal to X. Or if you want, I'll write it R. This should be equal to XP minus of minus XC should be equal to L minus R. We know what should be the XP value. XP should be 0, no? Why 0? Because the question itself is given. So this should be XB by R equal to XA L minus R. So we have to solve for L minus R by R equal to XA by XB. So L by R minus 1. Further, this is equal to 1 plus xa by xb. So what is r is equal to xb by l by xa plus xb. So this is the location of point which will be at rest at this particular distance from the nb. Okay, got the idea now? So there'll be some point on a spring. Always there'll be some point on a spring which will be at rest. So you do one thing, just analyze now. If both the ends of spring are given displacement in same direction, opposite, analyze all. I give this basic formula. So our entire discussion revolves around this, what information he has given. So this, don't forget the possibility of asking questions on very simple basic idea of the spring. The strain in the strain in every part of string must be constant. So strain in one part should be equal to strain in another part, or strain in one part should be equal to strain in total part of the spring. Let's take few more questions. All these are pathfinder. Every question is coming with some idea. Every question comes with idea. Uh, you, there's a small question. We'll take this one here. Okay, read the question. I'm just magnifying it.